Okay. Yes, what's your question?
So today I have two questions.
Uh,
First is there any difference between current investments and short-term investments?
okay, good. Very good question. Generally, this is a question of confusion between ISC and CBSE syllabus. Because generally, CBSE students use cash and cash equivalent, and ISC is dictated to use cash and bank balances. This difference is actually due to reporting practices, means whether you are following IFRS or you are following the Indian standards of accounting. So normally cash and bank balances is correct. Let us take that if you are doing current assets, so you have these are your surveying. Number one, inventories. Number two, suppose current investment CI. Number three is short-term loans and advances. Short-term loans and advances. Current investments or short-term investments. Right? This was your doubt. Current investments or short-term investment.
Yes, sir.
Current investments, actually in cash flow statement, current investment is treated under operating activity as increase or decrease in working capital, while short term investments are readily convertible in cash. They are ready cash, so they are treated as marketable securities and they are treated as cash, so therefore they will be considered to be cash and bank balance. So see your so I hope that was your doubt. Means while preparing cash flow statement, current investments must be treated as changes in working capital. Means under operating activity, changes in working capital. While short-term investments, which is considered to be marketable securities, and due to the reporting practices, it should be treated as cash. Okay, and this is common for both ISC and CBSE. And the difference lies in that cash and bank balances. That was also your doubt, I hope.
Yes, sir.
So these inventories, current investment, short-term loans and advances, trade receivables, e-cash and bank balances. Cash and bank balances, and F is other current assets. These are the subheadings of vertical balance sheet of a company. Cash and bank balances must be written instead of cash and cash equivalent, specifically for ISC children. The reason is it's again due to reporting practices. The equivalents are like treasury bills. They can be converted into cash very quickly, but the summary as cash and bank balances means the cash in hand or the bank balance or the cash which is stuffed in bank as balance. Okay, so remember to use cash and bank balances rather than cash and cash equivalent. So CBSE children, for them both are acceptable. Cash and cash equivalent is also acceptable because they generally take equivalents to be cash as well. Okay, within a short period of time. I hope your question is answered.
Yes, sir.
Okay.